Hey guys, what is up? Baso Drifting here with another video, and today we're going to be teaching you how to apply waterslide decals to your cars. Things you'll need is a bottle of water, a little bucket or something, filled with just regular lukewarm water, cotton bud / pick, scissors to cut your decals out, a decal sheet, and something to apply it to. Next step is to put one decal that you want to put in, just put it in that water and let it soak for about 30 seconds or so, and then take it out. Once you've taken it out, it should just slide off nice and easy off from the backing, and then give it a little bit of a flick of the wrist so it gets any residue off, and then put it exactly where you want it on the car. You have about a minute to move it around and everything, get it exactly where you want it, and then I go and get my cotton bud and just take off any residue left of water to get it to sit down nice and firm on the car. And there you go. As you can see, it's on there now. After that, I'm just going to let it cure for a bit, dry for about a minute until I do my next decal. I'm just repeating all those steps over and over again until my car's fully decaled out, and it'll look about similar to this. I've done one side, guys. Now I'm just going to let it dry for about 1 more or 2 more minutes, and then move on to the other side and do it again. So I've finished all the decals on both sides, top and front. So I just need to let it dry for about a few minutes, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, and then I'm going to hit it with a short clear coat and then let that dry, and then it should be done. So I've just used this Tamiya clear gloss coat and put it right over the top of the decals and the paint. I'll show you this. So that's what it looks like when I've put it over. And I'll let that dry for a few minutes, and then it should be nice and ready to go. Tutorial. Please like, comment and subscribe for more content. Please comment if you want any more tutorials on customs. Thanks, see you guys.